Hey, before you scroll into another specs page, let's talk about something that actually feels alive when you turn it on. G5. This is for you if you're the kind of person who can sense when a picture feels flat, when sound lacks depth, when motion doesn't have rhythm. It's not just about numbers for you, it's about how the experience feels. And the first time you sit down with this, you'll realize you've been missing something every time you've stared at a screen before. Before anything else, check the current price and availability. TVs at this caliber tend to move in price and stock faster than most people expect, and hesitation is how interest turns into regret. You probably remember the moment your old TV stopped impressing you. Maybe dark scenes looked gray instead of deep. Maybe fast cuts turned into blur. Maybe HDR never really popped no matter how many settings you tried. That was the moment you realized you weren't just watching, you were hoping it felt better. The very first time you power this on, something just clicks. Blacks go truly black. Highlights have punch without glare. Colors feel alive but balanced. Motion feels fluid and intentional instead of smeared or stressed. You don't fiddle with modes, everything just looks right. That's not minor, that's relief. You finally feel like the screen is working with you, not against you. Imagine movie nights where every scene feels cinematic, where shadows stay detailed and bright spots don't burn your eyes out. Think about sports where motion stays sharp and clean, making every play feel immediate. Picture gaming at high refresh rates where every frame feels responsive and fluid. Even everyday shows suddenly look richer and more textured, like the content got a quiet upgrade. What sticks with you isn't just the specs, it's how effortless everything feels. You stop thinking about the technology and just enjoy what's happening. Once your eyes adapt to that level of clarity and motion control, going back feels like watching through a veil you didn't know was there. Don't assume pricing or availability will stay stable. Displays like this, especially with advanced AI upscaling and audio immersion, don't linger at a friendly price, and waiting usually means paying more or losing out entirely. You might wonder if it's a big leap over your current screen. That doubt disappears as soon as you use it. The surprise isn't just better picture quality, it's how consistently good everything looks, from premium HDR content to everyday streaming. You don't just see more detail, you feel immersion in every scene. Owning this feels different. You sit down and feel confident that your setup finally reflects how seriously you take your viewing experience. You stop scanning other TVs because nothing else feels like a clear step forward. There's a quiet pride in that. It's not about flashiness, it's about substance you can feel every time you press play. You feel contrast that makes scenes pop into the room. You feel motion that stays smooth and natural. You feel richness that pulls you deeper in. You feel satisfaction every time you watch. It's not the least expensive choice. And it shines brightest with good source content. Eventually, you leave endless comparisons behind. You stop asking which TVs are close enough. You choose the one that already feels like the right one, the one that makes watching truly immersive. Check the price while it still feels smart. Don't let this become one of those upgrades you delay, only to look back wishing you'd made the move when everything lined up so clearly.